Today we are going to learn about programming. So first thing, what is programming? Okay. So in simple language, if I tell you programming is nothing but giving instructions to the computer. Like you give some input and you get the output, like whatever you want. It's like simple working of a factory. You give some raw material, it will process it and you will get the output. So it works similar to that. Okay. Now, why programming? Why it is important in today's time to learn programming? Because it can give you every possible thing which you want, everything. Okay, very important. Now let us learn what all possible things are there in today's time, right? Like first thing, game development. We all love playing games, especially kids, but even elders, right? So by learning programming you can design your own game. See, you can see a picture over here. Just by writing few lines of code you have created a simple game. So from a consumer you can become a creator. Like this will help you to build your logical skills. It will fast working of your brain. Yeah, so it is very good and you enjoy also. Okay. Second thing, it is used to create robots. Okay. Now what is, how does it create robots? Like it is same thing. You give specific instructions to the robot and it will make the automation of it. Your task will be automated. Like here you can see simple set of instructions are given and this simple robot is created. Okay, so it's again fun. Then web development. Now in today's time you can see different kinds of web pages are there, websites are there for every field. So how they are created? They are created by programming. Okay, so it is very important in web development as well. Next comes medical field. I will say medical field is for doctors. Yes, it is for doctors, but it helps doctors to cure their diseases. How? By processing huge amount of data. Huge amount of data is there and programming is done on that, study is done on that, and by doing the research, it helps the doctors to diagnose the disease and help to cure it. Okay. Now you can see here some of the examples are there. These are the examples of the programming languages which are used in healthcare. Okay. Next, for 3D movies, right? We all love watching movies. So many 3D movies are created by programming. You can see Harry Potter and many of them are created. Okay, so it's again fun. Now, there are different features of programming language. What are they? Like syntax, first thing. What is syntax? A method, a simple technique, how you write it. Okay, data types. What are data types? They are like, some numbers or some text. Okay, abstraction. What is abstraction? It to get the related part, whatever is required. Okay, variables to declare something. Then markup and control language to control the system how you want to work with it. Functions to write functions how the task should be done, that is simple functions. Then to control the memory, to do passing, to control the structure. So these are the basic structures, basic features which are used to do programming. So here you will be learning all of them. Okay. Now, there are different programming languages. Like we human beings, we have different languages for communication. Hindi, English, French, German, right? So for programming also, there are multiple languages for different kind of task. Okay, like if you want to do design games, so basically it uses JavaScript. Many games are designed by using JavaScript. Also Python is used for that. Now, if you want to learn artificial intelligence, again Python is used for that. Okay, you want to do web development, again JavaScript is used for that. So there are many languages which are used for doing different kinds of tasks. Okay, thank you.